in-depth knowledge in the field of ATM will be acquired and experiences will be exchanged with the aim to improve the regional cooperation in the field of air transport.
Taking into consideration that we have embarked on a new era in which traffic growth has been substantial and it differs from the trends predicted in the past.
Okay, thank you all and welcome. On the screen and also in front of you, you have a draft agenda for the South East Axis. It's a fairly similar agenda to what we usually do. We're just in the...
Good morning to everyone. Joseph Massaro, Upstream Manager and FMP Manager in Brindisi, Italy.
Good morning, Deborah Malone, here in Italy, Italian International Network Manager.
Good morning, everybody. Dejan Jankovic, FMP Manager at RDSC.
Good morning, my name is